Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of KRNL Executor Mobile V2.678, a game changer for Roblox users on iOS. Let's start with downloading KRNL Executor Mobile V2.678. You'll need to visit the official site to get the latest version. Once you've downloaded the file, follow these simple steps to install KRNL on your iOS device. Make sure your device is in settings to allow app installations. After installation, it's time to set up KRNL for the first time. Open the app and follow the guided setup process. Now, let's take a tour of the user interface of KRNL Executor Mobile V2.678. Familiarizing yourself with the layout will enhance your experience. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of KRNL Executor while playing your favorite Roblox games. It's important to discuss the safety and risks of using executors like KRNL. Always use them responsibly to avoid getting your account flagged or banned. If you encounter issues during installation or execution, here are some common troubleshooting tips that might help. Let's compare KRNL Executor with some other popular Roblox executors available for iOS, focusing on their features and performance.